the remix. Come on now.
Yeah, I like this. Can you feel it? Nothing can save you.
Hello, good morning, tell me what the lick read. Pretty face, thin waist with the sick weed. First time fish telling in the 6 speed. Real bad boy, tell him come and get me. I'm at the fight, betting kinda like Bellman. Only took a trip to the truck twice. Unpacked the Mac 11 and Air Maxes. Stuffed 6 figures in my damn air mattress. I'm in love with large bills. I'm down with a fat ass, thin waist and tall heels. Yeah, it's the tough London, 100 carats in the trunk, time to give it back to Sean.
I've been gone for a minute, now I'm back with the jump off. Goons in the club, case something jump off. You back up for the hive, let the pump off. In the graveyard is where you get dumped off. All we wanna do is party. Getting by everybody at the bar, Bacardi. Black Barbie dressed in Bugatti. I'm trying to leave in somebody's Ferrari. Spread love, that's what a real mob do. Keep it gangster, look out for your people. I'm the wicked bitch of these. You better keep the peace, or out comes the beast. We the best, still is room for improvement. Our presence is felt like a Black Panther movement. 7 quarter to 8, back to back, and I'm sitting on chrome 7 times.
Shout out to my peeps. Put the bellies on as the band. The late 23 King Rams. Jumping out the track off with the trends. Keep it real. And then good. East Coast, West Coast, worldwide. All my players in the hood stay down. And if you call it, then they can stay high.
Wait, stop the party. I don't wanna hurt nobody.
Hey, oh yeah. Drop. Hey, 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 hey.
I know you feel where I'm coming from, regardless of the things in my past that I've done. Most of it really was for the hell of the fun. On a carousel, so around I spun. With no direction, just trying to get some. Trying to chase skirts, living in the summer sun. And so I lost more than I had ever won. And honestly, I ended up with none.
Come on, yo, tear the roof off. Yo, tear the roof off. Back up, don't make me shoot you all. You don't want to fuck with us. You don't. Yo, you don't want to fuck with us. You don't. Yo, you don't want to fuck with us. You don't.
What do these graphs mean? The shear strength of sand on sand is greater than that of sand on geotextile. When the shearing surface is sand on sand, the sand particles are rubbing and grinding. On geotextile, the sand particles are rolling over the surface. Woven geotextiles have a higher strength than non-woven geotextiles.
Soil reinforcement. Soils are generally weak in tension. Earth structures such as slopes, embankments, and retaining walls can be stabilized by placing layers of geotextiles in the soil behind the structures. Initially, the load is carried by the soil until the soil begins to slip against the geotextile. As slippage occurs, friction begins to develop and tensile loads in the geotextile are generated. This load transfer from the soil to the geotextile prevents further soil slippage and gives additional shear strength to the soil. Soil separation and stabilization. Geotextiles can be used to prevent the mixing of 2 layers of soil that have different particle sizes or properties. With roadways and pavements, it can be used to prevent the loss of a granular subbase into a softer subgrade material and to prevent rutting. Drainage aid and filtration. The flow of water through soil will initiate the movement of fine particles. Placing a layer of non-woven geotextile at the interface of a fine-grained soil layer and a coarse-grained drainage layer, such as gravel, will impede the movement of the fine particles into the drainage layer or system and prevent clogging. Here's a unique application of geotextiles, the Hominid Trackway at Laetoli. This is the site of 3.6 million year old footprints. It was excavated, studied, and then reburied to preserve the footprints. Revegetation occurred and the roots of acacia trees threatened to penetrate and destroy the footprints. Geotextiles were used in the conservation project to separate reburial layers of fine and coarse-grained sands. A special geotextile called biobarrier was used to prevent root intrusion.